Hi, I'm Wendy from shinyhappyworld.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to tie a knot, which sounds really basic, and you really can tie a knot any way you want to, but I've had strangers stop and comment on it when I tie a knot this way. It's really easy, and it looks really slick and fancy. So I'm going to show you how to tie a knot. So you start out threading your needle, and then you're going to make your needle and the tail end of your thread point to each other. Then I grab that tail end of my thread with the fingers and thumb that are holding the needle, wrap that thread around the needle. I usually wrap it around about 3 times. See the loops on there? Then I pinch those loops between my other hand, and I can take this hand away. So I'm holding the needle and the loops wrapped around it. Push up on the eye, keep these pinched nice and tight, and I'm going to pull the needle and the thread all the way through, and you have a knot. One more time. Start out with your needle threaded, point your needle and the tail end of the thread towards each other, then grab that tail end of the thread with the thumb and finger that are holding the needle, wrap the thread around. I usually wrap it 3 times, and then grab those loops and the needle with your other hand. Now I've let go, and this is holding those loops and the needle. Push the needle through, keep pinching those, pull it all the way through, and there's a knot. So rewind that and watch it as many times as you need to look like a superstar when you're sewing. Come back next time. I'm going to show you how to do some hand stitching. I'm Wendy from shinyhappyworld.com. Thanks.